This is crazy. Tornado come through here and rip through the whole place. Tore my whole yard up. Look at that. I just want to cry, but I thank God today that He was able to put His hand on us and be safe. So much for the static controls gone. Alright, come on, let's go in here. Let's go, Matt. Yeah. Not right now. I'm keeping this for my personal thing because it's an experience that I never thought I was going to.
Daddy, come watch the other video.
What?
Video of these. That spider bite stuff.
Not right now. I ain't got no power. It's right here. It's crazy. Everything's going.